Alright guys, this is a 3-mark GCSE question and we need to find the highest common factor and the lowest common multiple. So we have, usually they only give you the number and you need to find the prime factors first and then find the highest common factor and the lowest common multiple. But in this case, they already did the prime decomposition and now we only need to find the highest common factor and the lowest common multiple. So highest common factor in this case. So what we're going to do is we're going to take only the factors they have in common with the lowest power. So they have 3 in common and 7 in common, right? So 2, they don't have it in common because B doesn't have 2. So we take only the ones they have in common. So in this case, 3 and 7. So basically 3 times 7. And then we take what? The lowest power. So in this case, 3, we have 3 squared, we have 3 to the power 4. So the lowest power is 3 squared. And we have 7 squared and 7, which is 7 to the power 1. So in this case, we take 7. And that gives me 3 squared is 9 times 7, which is 63. So this is the highest common factor of A and B. Now let's find the lowest common multiple. So lowest common multiple, we can even say of A and B. So A and B, in this case, we're not only going to take the one they have in common, but we take all the factors, right? So we have 2, we have 3, we have 7. So we take all the factors we have, and then the one that they have in common, we take the highest power. So in this case, 2, what we have, 2 squared, because we only have 2 here, we take 2 squared. The 3, we have 3 squared, we have 3 to the power 4, so we're going to take the highest power, which is 3 to the power 4. And then here we have 7 and 7 square, we take 7 square, right? The highest factor. And that gives me 4 times 81 times 49. And if we do it on the calculator, we will have 15,876. And that gives me 15,876 as the lowest common multiple.